AI is everywhere right now, building apps, automating work, even creating content. But here's the thing. I am not an AI expert. I am a developer who's curious enough to dive in, learn in public, and build cool stuff. And I want to bring you along the ride. My name is Uduak Essien. I am a developer. I work as a full stack developer, mostly with Ruby on Rails for the back end and React for the front end. I love building things. And now I want to take you into the world of AI automations. This is the very first episode of my series, Zero to AI Builder. My mission is simple. Go from a curious developer to someone who can actually build useful, creative, and maybe even crazy projects with AI. So in this episode, we'll explore automation tools like Flowise and N8N, AI coding assistants like Cursor and Claude, hands-on projects that teach you by doing, not just theory. Some of the projects we'll be experimenting with include building articles, writing team made of multiple agents, a writer, you have a writer, an SEO expert, compliance, legal reviewer, an ethics advisor, and even meta agents that aggregates everything. Creating RAG applications, that's Retrieval-Augmented Generation, so chatbots can answer from real data, not just AI knowledge, meaning if you have a company data and you want to build a chatbot, so instead of responding to clients from general AI knowledge, it depends on your personal or business data. Then we'll look into hosting and integrating these chatbots into a website, setting up triggers and automations like connecting AI responses to WhatsApp API and other messaging tools. Well, this is going to be all project-based learning. If you got ideas for projects you'd love to see, drop them in the comments. I might pick one for future episodes. So if you're curious about AI, if you thought about building your own AI-powered apps, or you just like watching experiments unfold, this is the place for you. If this looks like something you will enjoy, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you will be notified when I post. And like this video so YouTube can recommend it to more people who are interested in the same content. Thank you so much for watching the kickoff episode. Next time, we'll jump straight into building my very first AI powered script. Let's see how far we can take this. Thank you.